All right, I haven't seen that corner of the bed since I planted the squash. And now let's look at the pile. I don't even know if you can see that, but do you see that? It's huge. All right, we're gonna move on down to the other plant because I only had 2 in here, and I had some other stuff growing, but the squash just killed it. I don't remember the type of damage that they do, but I know they do damage as well. But I know squash vine borer is the one that is enemy number 1. All right, y'all, this sun is heating up. Oops, hang on. I don't know what bug that was, but it's a spider. I just thumped him somewhere. Whatever you do, don't come back for me. Please, just don't come back for me. Y'all have no idea how much restraint it just took me not to throw this down and run in the house and just say forget it for the day. I hate creepy crawly things. I hate them. And I try not to hate, but I hate spiders. Whew. Okay, let's see. Where can I grab this? Now I done found 3 bugs on one little group that I had in my hand. I'm trying to grab another big branch like I just had before. Okay, and there are no squash on that. Hopefully there's no bugs on it too. That just broke off. Get my legs out the way, because if they start crawling up my legs, y'all, it's over. I'm done. And I mean done. I'm going in the house. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to come back and get the camera. I cannot stand bugs. Ladybugs, I can handle. Ants, I can handle. You put some other kind of bug? No ma'am. I'm not gonna be able to do it. Maybe I should change the method in how I'm getting rid of this. Because what I'm going to do next is, once these have all kind of browned a little, I'm going to take a shovel and just break them up and then put them in my compost bin. And I've got coffee and eggshells and things like that in the house. that I'm going to bring out and put in the compost bin as well. I'm loving the compost bin because that is getting rid of a lot of waste. I'll have to tell you guys what I discovered while composting. When I do the compost video. I'm not going to combine two videos in one. I want to save that information for the compost video. My husband gonna have a fit when he sees all of this piled in the yard. He thinks I'm gonna just leave it like this. I'm gonna have to tell him there's a method to my madness. I thought that was a big bug. Alrighty. What time is it? Okay, still got time. Well, that just slapped me across the face. All right. Nothing on here I can harvest. You can see I got dirt all over me. I'm so glad I put this apron on. Needed it so I could put my phone in the pocket. Nope, can't harvest that. Okay. Okay, nothing to harvest on here. This is about to break on me. I'm just going to drop them where I'm standing. Ah. Guess who I found? I don't know. Okay, let me get on this side because I cannot even see what's on the camera. You see him? Another squash vine borer. He in there. But I tell you. I'm gonna put you over here with your cousin. Stop trying to get away. Cause you're gonna go in some soapy water with him. Now, back to our regularly, I messed that up, didn't I? Back to our regularly You know what I'm trying to say. Scheduled program. Ooh, look at that root. Can you see it? I don't know if you can, but that's a thick one. And I know there's more than one in here. I just know there is. I ain't gonna look for them, but I know there is. I'm doing it again. I'm bending over. I think I'm bending over to try to make sure that you guys can see what I'm doing. Not that I'm doing anything any differently than I did before. Alrighty, where did I drop the other? Okay, I can't harvest this one because he's nasty looking. See, don't know if you can. Yeah. So he's gonna go in the compost bin as well. Oh my goodness. It may not seem like I've done anything, but y'all, I am tired. And this sun is beating down on my back. I'm glad my camera's all nice and comfy in the shade. Done. Oh, thank you, Lord. Alrighty, I haven't seen the top of this entire bed since I bought it. And you take these nasty gloves off and put them on my table. I still got some cleanup and amending and everything to do, but that's for another time. All of that you see right there is my squash plant. And what you see is the bed that it was in, just taken over. And look at the weeds. Luckily, there's not that many, but they are there. Now, I want to show you something sad, or at least it's sad to me. Ooh. Y'all, look at my corn. It's my fault. It is my fault. I admit it, because I was sick. I didn't come out as much. You know, I thought corn was supposed to be able to get used to you know, droughts and things like that, but yeah. And my silks are turning brown, and there ain't no, you know, I feel it, y'all, my corn is dying. So what I'm gonna do is, the bed I just cleaned out, I am going to put corn in it. I'm going to try to plant some white corn and some yellow corn. and I'm going to do something else with these two little raised beds. Yeah, I'm so heartbroken. I was so proud of myself, and I got sick. Still sick, not fully recovered, but yeah. The other thing I want to show you are my bell peppers, which are doing beautifully, by the way, and getting bigger. So let's go over there. You know what? No, I'm gonna stop this video here. I'll do another garden tour when I'm getting ready to do other things, because it's hot. I need to go in the house, get ready to make my husband something to eat. It is in the 80s right now, even though it's not bad. I'm a little tired, and like I said, I'm not fully recovered, and my mouth is hurting, my head is hurting, and yeah, I need to rest for a little bit. That scared the crap out of me. All right, thank you for joining me while I cleaned out my squash bed, and stay tuned for the next video, which will probably be me amending the bed and planting my corn in the bed. And yeah, planting the corn, because I want to plant the corn and then wait till it get at least 6 inches or so, and then I'm going to plant some beans in there also. And I need to find out if I can plant, let me see, radishes. Not radishes, turnips. If I can plant turnips in there. No, I don't want to plant turnips in there. And I'm going to tell you why I don't want to plant turnips in there. I want to plant turnips in my other bed because I want to put insect netting over that bed to keep the insects from eating my greens. Yes, because the other bed is going to be filled with plants that do not need bee pollination. So I'm going to keep insect netting over it. So yes, that is the idea. We'll see how that works. So anyway, thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our video, and stay tuned for the next one. Take care.